How can we make our contributions last? The Torah tells us in Africa Teruma that we collected money for the building of the Mishkan, for the building of the tabernacle. Each person, whatever they were able to donate, whoever was able to donate gold, donated gold. Whoever was able silver, donated silver. Whoever was able to donate types of skins that were going to be used, or wood, or stones, whatever it was, everybody donated, everybody pitched in. Now here's something very, very special. The way that we give and what we were giving made a big difference. The word Teruma means to elevate or to donate. And the important thing is, how do we do it? Do we do it just like we're doing anything else? I'm paying the water bill, I'm paying the electric bill, and I'm also donating money? Or is this something different? Am I putting money aside ahead of time and really trying to elevate myself? In the Haftarah, after we finish reading from the Torah, we read from the books of prophets every single week. We read about the next time in history this was happening, when Shlomo HaMelech, King Solomon, was collecting for building Bet HaMikdash, the temple, in Yerushalayim. And when he was doing that, everybody was donating what they could. And the Midrash says that they were donating, the people came and donated all the gold and the silver, and all the wealthy people gave. And when Shlomo HaMelech asks, he says, what about all the poor people? Did they give? He says, what are they going to give? They're going to give pennies? And Shlomo HaMelech says, no, these people are giving from their heart. They're giving their entire soul just to participate. Go and collect this time just from the poor. And they go back to collect, and they are bringing back bags and bags and bags of copper coins, because the poor don't have gold and silver and they don't have as much to give. And with all of those coins, he funds the Western Wall, the Wailing Wall, the Kotel, the only actual remains that we have of the temple that is still standing today. Rav Shlomo Karlebach says that is how powerful that is. When people give from their heart, even if it's pennies, they don't have so much, but they're giving from their heart, he says that will last forever. And those who are giving, they can be giving millions, but the question is, how are they giving it? And is it coming from their heart? Shabbat Shalom.